Hello everyone, welcome to Legal Act. This is marathon part 1 of computer questions. As we have already done with the first 60 questions in the 3 parts, so now we will commence from question number 61. So let's start. 61. Pressing F8 key 3 times selects dash in MS Word. Answer is sentence. 2 times word, 4 times paragraph and 5 times whole document. 62. The maximum length of the file name is dash characters in the DOS operating system. The answer is 8 characters. 63. Which feature of MS PowerPoint is used to make universal style changes to all the slides in your presentation? Answer is Slide Master. 64. Dash is a networking device that is used to connect devices on a computer network to filter and forward data to the destination devices. The answer is switch. 65. Which topology is a combination of several different topologies? The answer is hybrid topology. 66. In Microsoft Excel, the error messages displayed on the cell is always preceded by which symbol? The answer is hashtag. 67. Name the Indian who co-founded Hotmail. The answer is Sabir Bhatia. 68. In MS Word, the spelling and grammar option is present under which tab? The answer is Review tab. 69. State the full form of GUI. The answer is Graphical User Interface. 70. In MS Word, the list of recipients in mail merge is known as dash. The answer is data source. 71. In computer terminology, dash is a small text file sent to your computer by a website you have visited. The answer is cookies. 72. What is the smallest and largest font size available in font size tool formatting bar? Answer is 8 and 72. Maximum font size that can be applied is 1638. 73. In the second generation of computers, vacuum tubes were replaced by dash. Answer is transistors. 74. Name the two types of primary memory. Answer is RAM and ROM. RAM is random access memory and ROM is read-only memory. 75. The dash is an Internet Standard Communication Protocol for electronic mail transmission. The answer is SMTP. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. 76. Which type of primary memory is volatile in nature? The answer is RAM. 77. What shortcut key is used to view macros in MS Word? Answer is Alt plus F8. 78. What is the default paragraph alignment in MS Word? Answer is left. 79. Who is the founder of CD and DVD? Answer is James Russell. 80. Which connectors are used with UTP cables? The answer is RJ45 connector. 81. Which protocol is used to convert IP address to MAC address? Answer is Address Resolution Protocol, ARP. 82. In PowerPoint, themes can be found under which tab? The answer is Design tab. 83. What is the shortcut key used to preview the page before printing? Answer is Ctrl plus F2. 84. The action of a computer to load an operating system into random access memory is called. The answer is booting. 85. Which type of ROM has to be custom built by the factory? Answer is mask ROM. 86. Dash is a network device operating at the physical layer of the OSI model that amplifies or regenerates an incoming signal before retransmitting it. Answer is repeater. 87. The dash is a mail protocol used for accessing email on a remote web server from a local client. The answer is IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. 88. Which shortcut key is used to open Run dialog box? The answer is Windows key plus R. 89. In Microsoft Excel, which shortcut key is used to enter a new line within a cell? The answer is Alt plus Enter. 90. How are rows and columns labeled in MS Excel? Answer is rows, numbers, and columns, alphabets. 91. Dash is a monitoring software for recording the real-time activities of computer including keystrokes. Answer is keylogger. 92. What is considered as the backbone of the World Wide Web? The answer is HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. 93. What is the extension of Microsoft Word file? The answer is .docx. For older versions, it was .doc. PowerPoint presentations .pptx, Excel file .xlsx. 94. Which keyboard shortcut key is used to select a row in a worksheet? The answer is Shift plus spacebar. 95. Dynamic ad hoc wireless networks, that is DAW and DON, usually come under dash. The answer is 5G. 96. What is the shortcut key used to superscript in MS Word? The answer is Control plus Shift plus plus sign. 97. What is the full form of RAID? The answer is Redundant Array of Independent Disks. 98. Who designed and developed the .NET software framework? Answer is Microsoft. 99. Which keyboard combination is used to close the active application window? Answer is Alt plus F4. 100. In MS Office, Dash is the software for managing emails. The answer is MS Outlook. 101. Dash is both static and non-volatile primary memory. The answer is ROM. 102. Which type of computers uses the 8-bit code called EBCDIC? The answer is mainframe computers. 103. Which combination of keyboard keys is used for restarting the computer? The answer is Control plus Alt plus Delete. 104. A hard disk is divided into tracks which are further subdivided into dash. The answer is sectors. 105. Who is the inventor of the difference engine and analytical engine which paved the way for the development of computers? The answer is Charles Babbage. 106. Dash programs are loaded automatically and act as part of the browser. The answer is plugins. 107. Which type of security is provided by HTTPS? Answer is SSL and TLS. Secure socket layer is SSL and transport layer security is TLS. 108. What was the name of the first antivirus? The answer is Reaper. 109. What is the name of the first web browser invented in 1990? The answer is Nexus. It was launched as World Wide Web, later renamed as Nexus. 110. In MS Excel, a formula always starts with the dash symbol. Answer is equal to sign. 111. Who sent the first electronic mail and in which year? The answer is Ray Tomlinson in 1971. 112. Which device is used to connect two systems, especially if the system use different protocols? Answer is gateway. 113. Which type of language required both compiler and interpreter? Answer is Java. 114. Which transport layer protocol is considered an unreliable connectionless protocol? Answer is User Datagram Protocol UDP. 115. Who used the term computer worm for the first time? Answer is John Brunner. Novel The Shockwave Rider. 116. Who was the world's first computer programmer? The answer is Ada Lovelace. 117. Dash is the type of internet hosting service which allows you to create and maintain a site and makes it accessible on the World Wide Web. The answer is web hosting. 118. Who is the founder of Twitter? Answer is Jack Dorsey. 119. Desktop and personal computers are also known as Dash. Answer is microcomputer. 120. Web pages are stored on a dash and can be viewed using a web browser. The answer is server. 121. The default alignment of numbers in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet is dash. The answer is right. 122. What is the default port number used by the HTTP? The answer is 80. For HTTPS, default port number is 443. 123. Where does your PC store your programs when the power is off? The answer is hard disk drive. 124. Which feature of Word enables a person to send same letters to different persons? Answer is mail merge. 125. Collecting personal information and effectively posing as another individual is known as the crime of dash. Answer is identity theft. 126. In MS Excel, dash text function is useful for combining values from different cells into a single cell. Answer is concatenate. Concatenation of text can be done using ampersand. 127. What term is used to describe software that monitors your online computer activities? The answer is spyware. 128. The dash storage on ROM chip is responsible for loading the operating system from its permanent location on the hard drive into RAM. The answer is BIOS. BIOS is basic input or output system. 129. The programs which are as permanent as hardware and stored in ROM is known as dash. The answer is firmware. 130. The cell reference of the very first cell of MS Excel is dash. The answer is A1. The label of the first column is A and the label of the first row is 1. 131. Artificial intelligence is associated with which generation of computers? The answer is fifth generation. 132. The communication protocol used by the internet is dash. The answer is TCP/IP. Transmission Control Protocol, that is TCP, and the Internet Protocol, that is IP. 133. Who is the founder of CD and DVD? The answer is James Russell. 134. What are the various types of ROM? The answer is PROM, EPROM, and EEPROM. Programmable read-only memory, erasable and programmable read-only memory, and electrically erasable and programmable read-only memory. 135. What does NIC stand for? The answer is Network Interface Card. 136. A collection of interrelated files in a computer is called a dash. The answer is database. 137. Which keyboard shortcut is used to open Windows Explorer or File Explorer in the Windows operating system? The answer is Windows key plus E. 138. The most advanced form of read-only memory is? The answer is EEPROM. Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. 139. Which language was used in the second generation of computers? The answer is assembly language. 140. What are the individual dots which make up a picture on the monitor screen? The answer is pixels. 141. Which function key allows you to edit the content of a cell in MS Excel? The answer is F2. 142. Restarting a computer that is already on is referred to as? The answer is worm boosting. 143. An input device that utilizes a light sensitive detector to select objects on a display screen is known as dash. The answer is light pen. 144. The I/O devices are connected to the CPU via dash. The answer is bus. 145. Who is the inventor of email? The answer is Ray Tomlinson. 146. What are the two types of RAM? The answer is SRAM and DRAM. SRAM is static RAM and DRAM is dynamic RAM. 147. A computer virus that actively attacks an antivirus program or programs in an effort to prevent detection is known as dash. The answer is retrovirus. 148. Which key on keyboard of a computer does not have its name printed on the key? The answer is space key. 149. Dash works as a buffer between CPU and main memory to prevent the processor from having to wait for a program and data from main memory. The answer is cache memory. 150. The speed of processor of a computer is measured in dash. The answer is gigahertz. Thank you for watching, and we will be coming back with the marathon part 2 soon.